I'm gonna use my 175 and some degreaser. Then the spinner. This is the tile brush that we use. And let me show you the area that we are gonna treat. It's gonna take me a while. I'm using some super moldy, right? Bowl. I'm gonna stop 407-572-4118. Bye. Hi, this is Ferreira from Any House Cleaning, and before putting any product, I have a garden hose and I'm wetting the surface and the grass area. So with the mildew product, it won't damage the grass. So I'm wetting first the fence, and then we will put some mildew liquid and then pressure wash. Okay, this is Ferreira from Any House Cleaning. Cleaning product right here. I'm gonna show you later. This is a pump sprayer. We already did that in the other area. Record and work at the same time, so I'm gonna stop water. That area we already pre-treat with our mildew cleaning product right in 15 and 20 minutes. 7-572-4118. This green, do you have a mildew residue? So wash it for you. You can call us at 407. Hi, this is Ferreira from Any House Cleaning. We already finished to pressure washer. She is rinsing the fence, and there is some black spots because the mildew was really heavy, and she's using right now a magic eraser for those stubborn spots. She's rinsing. I'm gonna show you, okay? How beautiful. Everything is beautiful. I love it. I don't know if you remember, that area was so black. Now it's really clean. How cool is this? La puerta falta un poquito. Yeah. So, la puerta de ahí. Yeah, with a little bit of magic eraser, we are removing some spots. Beautiful. Let me show you. How beautiful is this? Can you see that? Do you remember before? How was it? So here it was some mildew spot, and she actually cleaned it really good with the magic eraser. Awesome job. Everything is clean. This is the magic eraser that we were using. The new sheets from the magic eraser to remove that green spot. It was stubborn. Beautiful. Do you remember that spot over there? So I'm gonna edit a video. We start pre-treating this area. We're using our scrubber because it was really bad. We have to continue cleaning. This table was really bad, so we need a little bit more pressure washing in this area. This is old, so we cannot do nothing about it, but the green stuff went off. I need an extension to clear that. Another pressure washer here, rinsing, and almost done, almost done. So beautiful, beautiful. She's cleaning that door behind. So if you need our services, just call us at 407-572-4118. Support our business, okay? Thank you for watching. Hi, this is Fiorella from anyhousecleaning.com. And the floor is in really bad shape. It's an old floor. They need to paint it, but the client requests to pressure wash it. It's in really bad condition, so I'm gonna scrub them and then pressure wash it and rinse. So this is our scrubber. I already started scrubbing this area, but check it out, that area. Mira. If you need to clean your back patio, your fence, concrete, just let me know. Our telephone number 407-572-4118, right here in Champions Gate, Davenport, Florida. Bye. No.
Se fue rapidito.